To send out a little math mini lesson showing what we've been working on recently. So we've been working on showing 100 or 10 more or less than a 3-digit number. So there was a couple of different numbers that were giving the students a little bit of a hard time, particularly those with a 0 in the tens place. So we're just going to do a quick example. So first I'm going to start with 100 more than 104. So obviously you see we have 100, we have 0 in the tens place and 4 in the ones place. So when you're adding 100 more, all the students are doing is just grabbing one more hundreds block and pulling it over. And then instead of a 1, that is going to become 200. So the kids have been really focusing on how the tens didn't change and the ones didn't change, just the hundreds place changed because we're doing 100 more than 104, which now gives us 204. Now the tricky part comes in when we want to do 10 less and there's a 0 in the tens place. So if they wanted to show 10 less, 110 less than 204, when they're using their blocks or they're drawing their picture, we can see we can't take anything from the tens place. So what we're going to do is we are going to borrow or regroup or trade a 100s block into the tens place. Now we still have 204. It's just now with 100s block and 10 tens and then still 4 ones. So now that we have enough tens, we can take 110 away because 110 less than 204. So I'm going to take a 10 and get rid of that. So now we can go back to our number and see instead of 100, our 200s, we have 100. And instead of 0 tens, we traded for 10 and then we took 1 10 away. So we only have 9 tens and then our ones stayed the same. So 10 less than 204 would be 194. So the important thing to remember is that when you're trading, the number isn't changing. And that if there is a 0 in the 10 spot, then you'll have to borrow or trade a 100s block for 10 tens. So please let me know if you have any questions.